Everyone, welcome back to another error video. If you are facing Paramount plus error code 1100, don't worry about it. I will show you how to fix this error, so watch the video till the end and follow my steps. The error code 1100 may appear when attempting to streaming content on Paramount Plus, often leaving user unable to watch their favorite show. This error is typically linked to the minor issue like case problem, network stability, or app bugs, rather than the being a sign to major malfunction. If you want to fix, then go to the your search bar and select settings and go to the network and internet setting. Now click on the VPN and click on the add VPN and fill your VPN information and then save and OK. If it is not working, then go to your browser or your mobile app and clear the cache, three dotted button, and click on the setting. Now click on the privacy and security. Then go to the delete browser data. Click on it and select all times and then select site this and delete data. After doing this, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe our YouTube channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching.